In the name of Allah, the most merciful, we start our class. Hello everyone and welcome. We are in the third intermediate grade, full plus 5, first semester. Our subject is English. Our lesson today is 1B, try something new, 2, grammar. Prepare and presented by Muhammad Falata. Let's start everybody. What we are going to learn today, we gotta use the comparative forms of adjectives and adverbs. Comparative form. Comparative, gotta compare between 2 and 3. Let's see. Okay. Look at the tiger now. It's the tiger. And the turtle. The turtle. Describe them. Use adjective. Tiger and the turtle. Tiger and the turtle. What do you think? Of course, the tiger is fast. Fast. The turtle is slow. Slow. So, fast and slow are adjective. Adjective means describe the noun. Describe the noun. Okay, comparative and separative adjective. We use adjectives to compare between things. Okay? Now compare between the tiger and the turtle. Compare between them two. The tiger and the turtle. The tiger and the turtle. Compare between them two. Okay. I want you to look carefully here. The tiger is faster than the turtle. Tiger is faster than the turtle. We'll start with the tiger. The tiger is faster than the turtle. What about the turtle? The turtle is slower than the tiger. Okay? The tiger is faster than the turtle. The turtle is slower than the tiger. Okay? We compare between the tiger and the turtle. Okay? Using adjectives. Because it's comparative, everybody. Okay. We add ER and then to the adjective. Don't forget that. To compare between two things, tiger and the turtle, we add ER to the adjective and then. Faster than. Slower than. Okay? Let's elaborate. We add ER than, like we said before, to the adjective when we compare. Big. Bigger. Okay? Bigger, double G. ER than. Small, we add ER than. So big, bigger than. Big. If I want to describe one thing, for example, the car is big, but if you have two cars, you want to compare between them two, this car is bigger than this car. Small, one. Smaller between two things. Okay? Compare between two things using the adjective. Okay, now make sentences. I want you to make some sentences, please. We have fast, faster, Jack and Tim. What do you think? Of course, Tim is faster than Jack. Okay? Faster than Jack. What about cat and duck? The duck is smaller than the cat. The duck is smaller than the cat. What about bigger? We have dog and cat. The cow is bigger than the dog. The cow is bigger than the dog. Okay? Let's see here. The dog is smaller than the cat. We add ER to compare between two things. Here, the cow is bigger than the dog. Don't forget double G. Bigger than the dog. Okay. Separative. Have comparative, and now we are talking about separative. What do I mean? We form the separative by adding the and est, like this one. Big, the biggest. The biggest. Small, the smallest. The smallest. Okay, let's elaborate. Separative. Not two things. You have 1, 2, 3. Okay? You want to compare between 3. More than 2. Okay? We have the cat, the dog, and the beetle. Small, smaller, the smallest. Okay? Here we have dog, cow, and elephant. Big, bigger, biggest. Okay, let's see how. Here, the beetle is the smallest. Okay, we have more than two things. We use the separative adjectives. The beetle is the smallest. The smallest. Okay? Of course, the dog is smaller than the cat, but the beetle is the smallest of the dog and the cat. Okay? The smallest. What about big? The elephant is the biggest. The est to the adjective. The biggest. So, the cow is bigger than the dog, but the elephant is the biggest of them all. Okay? Of them all. Okay? Got it? Okay. Long adjective. Now we are talking about long adjective. Before we are talking about short adjective. Fast, small. Short adjective, it means one syllable. Now more than one syllable. Okay. We have here what? More than for comparative. The most for separative. Let's see here. Beautiful. Beautiful. This more than one syllable. More beautiful. More beautiful. Don't forget that. This is long adjective. Okay? Most separative. Of them all. Most beautiful. Most beautiful. Most beautiful. Add most here and more compare between two. Okay, don't forget that. Comparative, two. Separative, more than two. Okay, more here and the most for long adjective. Okay, long adjective, more than one syllable. Okay, now look at this example. As I can draw as well as my brother. As well as my brother. Okay? I can draw as well as my brother. Okay? The same. Okay. Bowling isn't as boring as table tennis. As boring as table tennis. Isn't. Isn't. Okay? Not. We have good, don't forget that. It's very important, everybody. Good, better, best. Okay? Don't forget. Good, one. Better, compare between two. Best, compare between more than two. Okay? Adjective is good, better than, the best. Bad, worse than, the worst. Okay? We change the whole adjective. Okay? Don't forget that. Okay, now for the exercise. Complete the sentence with the correct form of adjective and adverbs in brackets. So, number one, this is one of the blank modern buildings in the city. A tip for you, everybody. If you want to start, you have first to know if it comparative or superlative. Then look at the adjective. If it long adjective or short adjective. Then answer the question. Okay, let's go to number 2. Exercise B is blank difficult than exercise A. Number 3, Tom is the blank rude player in the team. 4, Steve did blank bad than I did in the skateboarding competition. Number 5, Khalid doesn't get up as blank early as Omar. See the answers. Number 1, this is one of the most modern buildings in the city. Most modern. Number 2, exercise B is more difficult than exercise A. So, number 1 and number 2. So, this is one of the most superlative. Modern, long adjective, building in the city. Superlative, okay? Superlative, we know, in the city. Not compare between two things. And number 2, exercise B and exercise A. So we compare between two things and we have long adjective, difficult. Then we add more than. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, number 3, Tom is the rudest player in the team, in the whole team. So we compare more than two things. So we add est and the to the adjective. To the adjective. Superlative form, and it is short adjective. Don't forget that. Number 4, Steve did worse than I did in the skateboarding competition. Worse. How do we say? Good, better, best, worse, bad, worse, the worst. Okay? So, we compare between Steve and I. Okay? So, compare between two was than. Okay? Khalid doesn't get up as early as Omar. Okay? Doesn't get up as early. We put the same adjective. As early as. Don't forget that. Okay? Okay, this is the summary of our lesson today. Comparative and superlative. Comparative between two and superlative more than two. short adjective, we add er, adjective, er, then than, long adjective, more than, okay? In superlative, short adjective, we add the, est, adjective, est. With the long adjective, we add the most, then the adjective. Okay, this is the end of our class. I hope you enjoyed. See you next class. Goodbye.